Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy, in today's newspaper of Friday, January the 8th, 2021. Yes, the second regular Sudoku is a heavy Sudoku, and the previous one, a light Sudoku, this one. Yes, we have the first week of the month. I've done a speed test, and you need to do this once in a while so you can train your brain to think faster. All right, but this Sudoku Heavy, I will do it without a speed test, and this one, Sudoku Heavy, will be a number 2130. All right, 2130. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 4 is 10, 13, 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 3 is equal to 23, plus 2 is equal to 25. All right, so if you compare, this Sudoku Heavy is a 3 stars Sudoku. The additional with extra Sudokus, there are 1 star, 2 stars, and 3 stars, and 4 stars. And the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits, 4 stars 24, 2 stars 26, and 1 star 27. But lately the publisher has published all the Sudokus 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, or 4 stars with 25 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have the 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 numbers. That means the other 2 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 1 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. And now we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only place for the 4 should be here. Then the middle column, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 9 there, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, a 6 in the 1st row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for a 6 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6 or no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, a 6 in one of those two boxes in the last column. Yeah, so the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then how about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column? So that column, the only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 1. All right. Then yeah. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 2, 6, 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3, 9. 349. 349. Yeah. 349. 349. 3. No. 3, 7, 9. Okay. 2, 5, 4, 4. I need pairs. How about the number 264? Yeah, 2, 2. 3. I need a 3. 1, 7, 7. I'm thinking. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5. Okay. In the first row, one of the missing number here in the first row is the number 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 here. Here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 here. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 3 are missing in the middle column. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And then now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be a 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Then which number can I use now? 3, 3. 7. Wow. 1. These 3 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. That means those 2 boxes in this column, 1, 3, 8, should be the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7 are these 2 boxes. How about these 2 boxes? 1 pair, the other pair should be the 1 and the 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Alright. And we have a pair here. 8 and a 1 in this row. 8 and a 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 8 should be in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. That means the other pair, 1 and the 8, should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The other pair in this big square, we have the 1 and the 8. This should be the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. This Heavy have a lot of pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So this should be also 7 and the 3. 7, 3, and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2, the 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 6, 9, 4, 5, 1, 1. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. Then for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 3. So we have a 3. Wait. 3, yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the row above the first row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be the 3. And this should be a 7. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, alright. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Then this one. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between. The only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, great. Sudoku Heavy. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.